Striven now has the ability to edit item costs from sales orders and invoices. The edited item cost will be stored at the sales order level and will be used as the default cost when creating a purchase order from the sales order. Before your employees can use this feature, you'll need to ensure they have the proper permission included in their user role. The permission is called Update Item Cost from Invoices and Sales Orders. Without this permission, employees will not have the option to update an item cost at the item or cost list level. Another prerequisite to using this feature is to enable it from the General section of the AR Settings page. First, you must enable the Show Cost and Markup for Line Item option to make this new feature display for selection. Then the checkbox for the prompt to update the item cost if it is changed while creating a Sales Orders and Invoices option will be available to toggle on. With this feature enabled, you will see that the cost will display a little differently depending on the item type on the sales order or invoice. The item cost can be edited or updated for items that are inventory, non-inventory, and service type items, as those are the only items being loaded on the purchase order when creating it from a sales order. Item groups and manufactured items will display as a static label since they have a cost, but are not being loaded on the purchase order created from the sales order. Fixed assets and discount items do not have a cost associated with them, so they will not display cost information. When creating the purchase order from the sales order, you'll see the costs that have been changed will carry over from the sales order to display accordingly on the purchase order. Something to note with this new feature is that while item costs can be edited from an invoice, the cost will not be stored at the invoice level. Having the ability to change an item cost on sales orders can help you reduce costs when operating on a fixed budget or for when you want to provide bulk-based pricing options to your customer. This feature will make it easy to provide quality services, quick responses, and accurate results while cutting costs with Striven.